ball is thrown vertically upwards with an initial velocity, u, 20 meters per second minus 1. An equation of motion is used to calculate the time taken for the ball to move to a displacement 15 meters. So this is s. Which of the following expressions which shows a correct substitution of appropriate values? When you look at the choices A to D, the 15 meter, which is the displacement. So the examiner drawn your attention to start with the equation S equals ut plus half at squared. Displacement is 15. Initial velocity is 20. Initial velocity is positive when you go up. Here, that plus half times minus 9.81 times t squared. The acceleration is negative because when you reach the maximum height, your final velocity is going to be negative. For the mathematical calculation, a equals v minus u divided by t. So the value of u is going to be more than the value of velocity, or the final velocity. So a must be negative. So the correct answer is C.